Hey, you guys, if you've ever thought like, hey, I want to make some really cool videos, but I only have my phone, then oh boy, you're definitely in the right place. Today, I'm super excited because we're chatting about this awesome app called CapCut. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. All right, so first things first, what the heck is CapCut, right? So CapCut is this amazing free mobile video editing app. And guess what? It's not just for iPhone users. Android folks, you can hop on this train too. Moving on to the cool stuff, the key features. First off, you got your basic editing tools. Think trimming and splitting, super useful when you're trying to cut out that awkward pause in your vlog or, that random photo bomb. For example, I once used it to trim a clip where my cat decided to jump in and steal the show. Next up, the advanced stuff. We're talking keyframe animation, which is awesome for getting those slick, smooth motions in your shots. Like you can make your text slide in from the side or something. Also, they've got this smooth, slow motion feature, which, let's be real, can make anything look epic. Once I used it for a slow pan of a sunset, and it looked incredible, no joke. All right, then we've got the effects, transitions, and music. This app has a whole library of freebies you can use. I'm talking filters, sound effects, and background tracks that really give your video that extra oomph, Lastly, for key features, they have templates. Yeah, if you're not sure where to start or you're feeling a little lazy, just pick a template and boom, you're halfway there. So let's talk pros and cons, shall we? Pros. Firstly, it's free, guys, like $0. Secondly, it's got a ton of features, some of which you'd only find in pricey software. Also, it's really beginner-friendly. You don't have to be a pro to make something cool. And another thing, there's this big, active community that you can learn from. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. On the downside, it can be kind of slow on older phones. And yeah, some of the really cool features behind a paywall. Also, no desktop version, so you're stuck editing on your small screen. Now, what's the vibe when you're using CapCut? User experience is super chill, you guys. The app's layout is easy to navigate, and you've got a ton of tutorials from the community to help you out. So you're probably wondering how it stacks up against other apps like InShot or Adobe Premiere Rush. And honestly, for a free app, CapCut holds its own pretty well. Who should think about downloading this app? Listen, if you're a social media creator, small business owner, or even an educator looking to make some engaging content, this app is a solid choice. But if you're aiming for like Hollywood-level editing, maybe look elsewhere. All right, to wrap it up, CapCut is pretty darn great for mobile video editing. It's got some limitations, sure, but the good stuff definitely outweighs the not-so-good. So do yourself a favor, go ahead and give CapCut a try. And hey, if you found this chat helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today.